Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome back to my channel for another Wash and Go Wednesday. Today I'm just going to be talking through the video. It's going to be a little different from previous videos, but it's the same format. So let's go ahead and get started. So the two products I initially thought I was going to use is the Curls Unleashed Rich Style Cream and the Curls Unleashed Texture Boosting Curl Jelly. However, I only ended up using the this one, the Texture Boosting Curl Jelly, on my hair to get my wash and go going. Now I'm starting with this section per usual, and I'm just speeding it up a bit because I'm really just working it through, and I did not want to bore y'all with all of that, but I'm just really working it through. I try to work the products through a lot, and yeah, my hair has leave-in on it, and I just put this on top. And so off bat, I really wasn't too impressed. It gave me a little bit of definition, but it was something about the hold that wasn't sitting right with your girl. It was a very light hold, and for my hair I need a bit of a stronger / harder hold. However, the product did smell good, and as you can see, I did get some pretty good definition. So I'm gonna just keep on doing this throughout my entire head, and yeah. So right here, I'm really just showing y'all how much I was using, but I wanted to step on in and speak real quick because I don't know if y'all can tell, but at this point, I was noticing that my hair was a little curlier, right? So it was giving me definition, but in the back of my head, I was just like, this is not enough hold for my hair. And so I wasn't really sure how it was going to turn out, you know, once everything was dry and I stretched it out and all of that. I was really kind of nervous, but I must admit the product was grabbing onto my hair really well, and it was defining my curls. It was defining them. Like, it looked really curly to me. Now I will say that before I looked in the camera, I was like, what in the world is going on with my hair? Like, I really wasn't feeling it. But when I turned the camera on, you know, I was like, you know what, it's actually giving me curl. It's just that it's a soft hold. So I don't know, y'all, but y'all gonna see at the end. So I'm all done, and this is what my hair looks like freshly wet. It hadn't dried, not even the slightest, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty curly, or actually really curly to me. And yeah, I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like all complete, all dry, and I'll tell y'all my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so it's the next day, and this is what my hair is looking like. It is so soft. Like the curl boosting jelly did not leave a hard cast on my hair at all. So I went for a side part this time, and this is looking really good to me. Of course, we all know frizz was coming, okay? That's just how it is. Sorry for the background noise. My niece is playing with bubble wrap. But these are the results, and yeah. So because I was on auntie duty, I kind of forgot to mention this, that I really like the definition that the jelly gave my hair. However, I do want more hold for my hair. And because of that, I'm going to pair it with my Extreme Wetline Gel next time I use it, because that's just what I do. Y'all know that's my favorite, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be a bomb combo. So those are my final thoughts. So this is my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what you think about it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that bell to be notified each and every time I go post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Instagram name is right here. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Okay. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.